Tired of battling through rainstorms with limited visibility? Introducing SOE Rain Repellent, the ultimate solution to clear your path through the storm. Formulated to defy even the fiercest downpours, SOE Rain Repellent creates an invisible barrier that keeps raindrops from clinging and obstructing your vision. Don't let rain slow you down. Upgrade your visibility with our affordable 100 ml or 200 ml SOE Rain Repellent today. SOE Rain Repellent. See clearly, drive safely. How do I use SOE Rain Repellent? Simply clean off dust from your windscreen and side mirrors. Pour 2 or 3 capful on a dry rag and rub in a circular motion on the entire windscreen and side mirrors until it is streak-free. That's it. You are good to go until the next rainfall. Please note that it stays on the windscreen until you wash it off. We look forward to your feedback. Please don't forget to tell a friend. Thanks.